Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore property tax deduction details using Zillow tax estimates, full guide step by step clearly. To restore property tax deduction details using Zillow tax estimates, start by navigating to the Zillow website. Once on the home page, enter your property address in the search bar. Click on the property profile that appears in the search results. Scroll down to the section labeled Tax History. Here, you'll find the estimated property taxes listed for previous years. Take note of these figures since they can be crucial for your tax deductions. Next, click on the More tab to access additional property details. From here, select Property Tax to view more comprehensive information about your property taxes. Review the current year's estimated tax amount. This figure is often used for budgeting and tax deductions. If you need historical data, look for past tax payments. You can often find links or references to local tax assessor sites for further details. Note any discrepancies or updates in the estimates. Make sure to keep a record of these tax estimates. You may want to use this information for your tax preparation or to dispute any changes. If necessary, download any pertinent documents or screenshots for your records. Check your local property tax authority's website for any specific forms or requirements needed for deductions. Once you have all the necessary information, consult a tax professional if you have questions about how this affects your taxes. You're now ready to use Zillow tax estimates to support your property tax deduction efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.